What I'm going to show you is how we can edit the path, add more cameras, or remove more cameras. So having the walkthrough selected so we can edit. Again, if you can't, go to the walkthrough, right click and show camera, and the path would appear. Then we can select edit walkthrough, and we're in the editor. So in the options bar here under controls, we currently have active camera. So we're currently just changing the cameras. So here we can change the path. So if I change over to path, I can now grab the camera positions and change the actual path shape itself. If I wanted to add in more cameras or keyframes, I'll add in a keyframe like so. And we can, of course, remove the keyframe. So when you have more keyframes added in, then we can change the path again. And once you're happy with your additions and subtractions and so on, we go back to the edit walkthrough, go back to frame 1. And then again, we've got to go back to the active camera and change the positions. And then we can open the walkthrough and press play. And again, I'm going to stop it. So that is one of our walkthroughs that we'll be doing. Again, all of the paths and so on are shown on the PDFs.